Hello, students. Good morning. Today we are going to discuss categories of nouns. What are they? Let us see. There are two main categories of nouns that always appear in one form: uncountable nouns, which are also called mass nouns, or always singular, and plural tandem nouns, which are always plural. So, this way there are two categories. One is uncountable or mass noun, right? Which cannot be counted, which is very tough to count, are always found in singular form. So, that's the one type. Another type is called plural tandem nouns, right? And always plural, and that's the second category. So let us see what are they. Nouns always found in singular form, right? These following nouns never found in plural form. These are always in singular form, right? So what are they? These nouns also known as uncountable or mass nouns, right? Singular noun which are uncountable or mass nouns refer to things that are difficult or impossible to count are called uncountable or mass noun, and they represent an undifferentiated mass or concept, have no plural form. Important. Uncountable noun have no plural form. This way you can remember, right? What? That's the uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns have no plural form. Plural form. Okay. This is the first uh, rule. Example: these are the nouns: abstract concept, substances and materials, fields of study and subjects, natural phenomena, general categories. So, this way, these five categories you have to remember. Abstract concept means information, always singular: advice, knowledge, freedom, laughter, justice, happiness are the abstract noun which can be felt only, which cannot be touched or seen, right? So, that is called abstract noun. An abstract noun can never be plural form, right? So these nouns are always used as singular noun, right? Number two is substances and materials like water, air, sand, floor, wood, metal, rice. These are the substances or materials, right? And very difficult to count. For example, rice, right? For example, sand. And these are the abstract. These can sorry, not abstract. These are the substances which are not possible to count, so these are also found in singular form. Then third category is fields of study and subjects: economics, physics, mathematics, right? Economics, ethics, and many other subjects whose name is S, right? So these are the nouns which now, next is that's a natural phenomena. Natural phenomena is always, keep in mind, that's always used as a singular noun. Weather, rain, snow, thunder, heat, right? And last category is a furniture. That is very important. Furniture never be used in plural form. Clothing, luggage, equipment always use as singular form followed by singular verb. Okay. Now another opposite categories: nouns always found in plural form. What are they? Which are also called plural tandem, right? Plural tandem. So that is plural only. That is Latin term plural tandem, and meaning is plural only. Refer to items that are either pairs or set of things. Means these nouns are always found in the pair or set. They do not have a singular form. They cannot cannot be found in singular form. So what are they? Items with two pairs, financial terms, right? Abstract ideas and greetings, right? And terms for surroundings and areas and miscellaneous. How? Items with two parts: scissors, pants, trousers, glasses, tweezers, binoculars, pajama, headphones, tongs, always in pair, right? So that is there. So these are the nouns always in plural form. Now number two is that's a financial terms. Financial terms: earnings, savings, wages, funds, riches, right? This way, these are always plural. Then abstract ideas and greetings, right? Again, abstract ideas which can be thanks if you can be felt only when you thank someone. That's an abstract idea. So thanks, congratulations, condolences, manners, okay? And then terms for surroundings and areas: outskirts, not outskirts, surroundings, premises. So this is plural, right? Referring to a building, right? And miscellaneous, for example, this is again very important. Never say clothes, goods, right? Contents, remainings, belongings, right? So please keep in mind. And last is noun that can be both singular and plural, right? Some nouns can function as both singular and plural depending on context. Important thing. And some nouns have the same form for both singular and plural. What are they? Nouns with context depending meaning. Means these are the nouns, plural only, glasses, right? So that's a nouns with context dependent meaning. Glasses, plural, he needs new glasses to read, right? So in this way, that's a glasses. Okay, spectacles. Okay, now countable singular or plural, he ordered a glass of water, right? He ordered two glasses of water. So glass can be used as singular and plural. If you are speaking about spa- uh, spectacles, right? So then you have to say that he needs new glasses to read, means you mean plural, right? That's a spectacles. But then countable singular and plural, that depends on context. When you say that he ordered a glass of water, he ordered two glasses of water, right? A glass, of course, it's singular. Two glasses, of course, is plural, right? So this way. So please take care. And then last category is nouns that are the same in singular and plural. Very important for example, right? No plural of sheep, fish, deer, species, series, crossroads, or headquarters. Please take care. These nouns are the same in singular and plural, means these nouns have no singular plural. This way also you can remember. That's the same form in singular, plural, right? So this is again very important category. Please take care. So this is a very short video on nouns, and that's very important question covers in competitive exam. So please take care. All the best. Thank you.